Well, good morning, happy day everybody. I'm back out here on St. Johns River and it is pretty dang cold out. I think it's in the mid 40s right now. Water temp's about 58 and gonna have a little bit of wind today, but this is the only day I could get out before the weekend. So here I am, and I'm gonna start out with pulling some holes. Y'all know how that goes, so let's start fishing. I got you that time though. Ooh. That's a respectable fish. Yep. First one for the coolie. I can't remember if I reset the timer though. I did not. The counter. Oh, bugger, get in there. They're quick, man. I mean, they are quick. See if he'll come back like the first one did. Warmouth. Little warmouthsky. Ooh, a little morning tootski. You guys are gonna have to forgive the wind noise, but nothing I can do about it. Decent sized warmouth. Yeah, I ran to a nest of these things. Well, I figure there's got to be a few specks down there with him. Well, I did just catch a speck right when the camera died, but it's a little baby. That's better. Someone had to be lurking down there. Can't just be the babies. Yep. It's a nice, looks like a male. Another warmouthian. Tell you what, if I could catch a chunker of one of these, I'd keep them. I mean, these would eat all right. I can't believe how many of these things I'm catching. Oh, yeah, you woofed it down too, didn't you? Unhook them. Yep. I'm in the Warmouth zone, boys. Get in the zone. The Warmouth zone. Ain't really much to what I'm doing. It's a workout fishing this way though. Constantly pulling holes, and I cover mine up too when I'm done. So it's not for the faint of heart. Probably the nicest one I've caught today. Catching specks, but they're all juniors. Junior speckies. Here we go. That's better fish. Stick around if they're gonna be this size out of here. That's more like it. Here's a little crappie. Little warmouthy. Took him for a ride. Well, it started out good. But boy, it sure is not holding out that way. The freaking wind is unbearable. Another baby crappie. Can't keep you, pal. Need to grow up a little bit. Never fails, guys. As soon as my battery dies, I catch a fish before I could replace it. It's a nice one though. Nice crappie. Getting ready to move again, but maybe I'll just hang out here and wait it out. I mean, they're not jumping in the boat today. I don't know if that's due to the little front we got going through here, or wind, or what it is exactly, but oh yeah, nice slab, nice slab. Should think of that one, boys. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. All day long. Yeah. Nice fish. The old Ozark. It's holding up. Just trying to be patient in each one of these holes. Like I said, they're not being super feisty. Nope. You wait long enough, they'll roll through. Ow! I just stuck myself. Keywords, wait long enough. Oh, dang it. It's tough when they're not just jumping in the boat non-stop. As long as they're relatively consistent. Just enough to keep the dream alive, keep you going. All right, fellas, that is it for today. I got 7 in the cooler, and this cold front and weather in general, you can definitely tell that it's got them kind of tight-lipped today, especially compared to yesterday. However, this morning was pretty good. You know, got quite a few of those the rock bass or the warmouths. So I mean, that was fun. Caught a lot of them and a lot of dinks. Had all the dinks I caught been keepers, would have been a real nice day. But you know, it is what it is. You come out when you can. I still had fun. I don't know when I'll be making the next video because we have New Year's coming up, and then pretty soon after that we have another Kissimmee trip coming up. So stay tuned to that, and that's it. That's all I got, guys. So I'll see you on the next one.